Daily Slow English.
Welcome to our Daily Slow English channel. Today, we will learn movie theater vocabulary. I will speak very slowly. Please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the cinema story. Before we begin, I have a question. What kind of popcorn do they buy today? Listen carefully to find the answer. Please write your answer in the comments below. Practicing like this helps you improve your English. Okay, let's begin the story.
Wow, the cinema is very busy tonight.
Yes, many people go to the movies on weekends.
Some people call this a movie theater, right?
Yes, cinema and movie theater mean the same thing.
Look at all these big movie posters.
The posters show us what movies are playing today.
What kind of movie do you want to watch?
I don't know. What genre do you like?
Genre means the type or style of the movie.
Like action movies or scary horror movies?
Oh, I do not like scary horror movies.
Me neither. How about a funny comedy movie?
Yes, I love comedies. They make me laugh.
Look at this poster. This comedy looks very funny.
Okay, let's watch that new comedy movie tonight.
Perfect choice. It starts in 20 minutes.
I will go buy the movie tickets for us.
Thank you. And I will buy the snacks.
That is a great plan. Let's split with the tasks.
The ticket booth is right over there, Emily.
Let us review. A cinema or movie theater is where you watch big movies. A poster is a big picture on the wall showing the movie. A comedy is a funny movie. It makes you laugh a lot. Now, Emily will go to the ticket booth to buy the tickets.
Hello. Welcome to the cinema. How can I help you, miss?
Hello. I would like 2 tickets. It's for the new comedy movie, please.
2 tickets for the comedy. For the 8 o'clock show?
Yes, the 8 o'clock show is perfect.
Great. Where would you like to sit today, miss?
Oh, can I choose my seat? What is available?
Yes. We have seats in the front, the middle, or the back.
The front is too close to the big screen. I would like to sit in the middle, please.
The middle is the best. Row F, seats 10 and 11.
Row F sounds very nice. Thank you.
Your total is $20. Cash or card?
I will pay with my credit card. Here it is.
Thank you, miss. Please tap your card right here.
Okay, I tapped my card. It is finished.
Here are your 2 tickets and your receipt.
Thank you. Which theater room is it?
Your movie is in theater number 5, down the hall.
Theater number 5. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Let us review. You buy a ticket to enter the movie theater. A row is a long line of seats. You sit on a seat. The screen is the very big white wall where you see the movie. Now, Mateo will go buy snacks for them to eat.
Hello, welcome to the concession stand. What would you like, sir?
Hello. Can I have a large popcorn, please?
One large popcorn. Do you want sweet popcorn or salty popcorn?
Sweet or salty? Emily likes sweet. I like salty. Can you mix them? Half sweet and half salty, please?
Yes, of course. A mix of sweet and salty. Great choice. Would you like anything to drink with your popcorn?
Yes. 2 medium drinks, please. 1 cola and 1 orange juice.
1 cola, 1 juice. Do you want any candy or hot dogs?
No, thank you. Just the popcorn and drinks is enough.
Okay. Your total is $15, sir. Cash or card?
I will pay with my credit card.
Thank you. Please tap your card on the machine.
All right, I tap the card. It is paid.
Here is your large mixed popcorn and your 2 drinks.
Thank you very much. They smell delicious.
You are welcome. Enjoy your comedy movie, sir.
Let us review. A concession stand is where you buy cinema snacks. Popcorn is the most popular snack. You eat it in the dark. Sweet means it has sugar. Salty means it has salt. Now they have tickets and food. They will find their seats. I have the tickets. Theater number 5.
And I have the popcorn. Let's go inside.
Oh, the popcorn smells so sweet and good.
I mixed it. Half sweet and half salty for us.
That is so smart.
It is the best combination.
Oh, yes, I know. Come on, the movie will start soon.
Here are our seats. Row F in the middle.
These seats are very soft and comfortable.
We have a great view of the big screen here.
Yes. Not too close, not too far away.
Look, something is playing on the screen already.
Those are just commercials. The movie has not started yet.
Oh, I see. They show commercials first.
Yes, and they show trailers for other new movies too.
Can I have some popcorn while we wait?
Of course. Share it with me. It is a large bucket.
Mmm. The sweet and salty mix is really delicious.
Shh, look. The room is getting dark.
The lights are turning off. It is starting.
Be quiet now. Enjoy the movie, Emily.
Did you hear the word commercials? They are short advertisements. A trailer is a short video showing a new movie coming soon. When the movie starts, you must be quiet and stop talking. 2 hours later, the funny comedy movie is finished.
That movie was so funny. I laughed a lot.
I know. The main actor was very silly and great.
It is late now. The sky is very dark outside.
Yes, it is 10 o'clock.
It is time to go home.
Thank you for coming to the movies with me, Mateo.
You are welcome. It was a very fun night.
Next time, maybe we can watch an action movie.
Yes, I would love that. Let's do it next month.
Remember, if you love a movie, you can give it 5 stars. And a happy ending means the story finishes with a good feeling. You can also ask your friends, what was your favorite part? Try using these new words next time you go to the cinema. How was the story? Did you remember my question from the beginning? What kind of popcorn do they buy today?
The answer is, they buy a mix of sweet and salty popcorn.
Did you find the correct answer? Tell me below. Practicing your English output like this will help you improve. If you learned something new, please like this video today. Subscribe to our channel for more easy English stories. Keep practicing and keep smiling. Goodbye, everyone. See you soon.
Daily Slow English.